Yeah, so when the Fabric SQL database were introduced, I was absolutely stoked. I use databases all the time, both with clients and personally. And I wanted to test out not just obviously collecting the data, but really the transformative feature of SQL databases is that ability really to write back or add
Mhm.
rows. Like it's something, it's just another place to store the data, but it can go in other systems.
It's a transaction
Yeah,
database.
and it's most universally known. We've talked about
Yes.
that and be able to connect. So I wanted to see if I could use it in a Power App in the same way that I'm using databases now.
Mm,
So I replicated one of my databases, and then I basically said, like, okay, how's the connection? Since there's no like Fabric connector in Power Apps or the Power Platform, but it's just a SQL database.
mhm.
So interestingly enough, I didn't have to put in even the server name or the database name. I just said SQL database through
Yep,
Azure. It already knew all the databases available,
yep.
and the connection was fine. I could read, I could see everything. It worked with the app, but when I was going through to try to actually modify a row, because I have one that basically will
Sure.
collect a bunch of rows, either remove it or push it somewhere else,
Yes.
I was getting this network error. I'm like, oh, this is strange.